Hi, my name is Janar Garcia, Technical Marketing at Fortinet. Fortinet just released the latest FortiPAM 1.8, and it brings a lot of enhancements in security, scalability, and control for privileged access management. In this video, we'll go through some of the features that the Fortinet FortiPAM product team have added in the 1.8 release, and hopefully this gives our customers the motivation to upgrade to this release. So just a quick overview of what I'm going to cover on the FortiPAM 1.8 features. We have included the role-based access control, password expiration notification features. We have concurrent login limits. We have added migration, the merging of the FortiSRA to FortiPAM. You will have to follow some of the requirements here. The concurrent login licensing feature specific to VM only, and more. Without further ado, let's get started and see all the features. So let's get started with the flexibility and web RDP resolution. One of the features that we have introduced in FortiPAM 1.8 is the usability enhancements. This is to enhance the flexibility of web RDP resolution. When launching a secret using a web RDP launcher, users are now have the option to increase resolution options directly in the launcher progress dialog. This new option allows users to customize the screen resolution of their web RDP session before it starts. So the use case of this is that by selecting the resolution that best matches their display or workflow, user gets a clearer or more comfortable remote access experience, especially on high resolution or large monitors. The result of this is to improve usability, better visibility, and more productive privileged access session, all while maintaining to secure browser-based access provided by FortiPAM. The next feature that we have here is the secret password expiration notification. It is introduced in 1.8, and it helps organization proactively manage credential lifecycle. When creating and editing a secret, administrators can enable password expiration settings in the password management section and define how long the password remains valid. Once configured, the remaining time before expiration is displayed in the password expiration status, providing immediate visibility. To prevent unexpected outage, FortiPAM allows administrators to configure advanced email notification, specifying how many days before expiration users are alerted. FortiPAM also generates password expiring and expired events, which are logged in auditing and can trigger email notification to direct secret owners and subscribed users. Consequently, in the 1.8, we have introduced a new set of hardware models. Currently, we have the 100G and the 400G. In the 1.8, we have released a new set of hardware, which is the 1100G and the 3100G, which basically expand the deployment options for larger or more demanding environments. When integrating with the FortiPAM and FortiAnalyzer, we require minimum of at least on the release of 7.65 or higher. Consequently, when you need to integrate with FortiEMS, you need at least 7.4.1 or higher release to be fully compatible. This release also addresses key stability improvements. For example, a previously reported deadlock issue when closing all clients' connection has been resolved. It improves overall system reliability and performance. It also enhances the FortiPAM 1.8 and a more robust solution for enterprise scale deployments, providing seamless integration with FortiAnalyzer and EMS while supporting the latest high-performance hardware models. Another feature that we have introduced in 1.8 is the FortiSRA migration path to FortiPAM. If you recall, we have a FortiSRA product, which is specific to OT environments. Now what we're doing is that we're actually migrating it to the FortiPAM. And what makes this very important is that it helps our organization that's using this product to upgrade without losing any existing licenses or configuration. So to begin, the FortiSRA instance must be upgraded to FortiSRA 1.7.2 which ensures compatibility with FortiPAM 1.8. Once this is upgraded, the FortiSRA environment can be migrated seamlessly to FortiPAM 1.8, preserving all the existing FortiSRA licenses and serial numbers. The template imported during migration now include additional native launchers, providing enhanced session launch options. If these native launchers are not required, they can be manually removed from the template to match your organization workflows. FortiSRA admin accounts gain new secret launch capabilities that were not previously available, expanding the power of existing privileged accounts. Importantly, the original FortiSRA admin continues to be free for license purposes, and FortiPAM customers receive an additional free admin account, giving more flexibility for administrative operations. Overall, the FortiSRA migration in FortiPAM 1.8 simplifies the upgrade process, maintains license continuity, and enhances secret management and privileged access capabilities across your environment. Another feature that we have introduced in 1.8 is the ability to control concurrent login users on the VM instance. It limits how many active users a user can have at the same time. This feature helps prevent account sharing and enhances the security by restricting simultaneous login. Administrator can set maximum concurrent sessions per user, ensuring tighter control over access. And with this capability, FortiPAM 1.8 improves compliance and protects privileged accounts from misuse. Another feature is the multiple range targets on one secret. This has been introduced in 1.8, and we have introduced this feature to basically eliminate the need of creating separate secrets from each target, simplifying management and reducing overhead. Users can securely access any authorized targets with the same secret, while FortiPAM enforces centralized policies and auditing. This feature boosts capability and streamlines privileged access across large environments. Another feature that we have introduced is the user max launching session limit. With this feature, administrator can now set a maximum number of concurrent sessions per user. This feature allows tighter control over resource usage and prevent users from launching more sessions than allowed. By configuring the max launching session limit on a user profile, FortiPAM ensures that session cap is set automatically. This helps organizations maintain performance, security, and the compliance by limiting excessive and unauthorized access. With this enhancement, FortiPAM delivers more granular session management for privileged users. Moving on to more features, auto provisioning, email address, and display name. When these attributes are configured on the remote SAML identity provider, it's included in the SAML response. FortiPAM automatically retrieves and stores them during user provisioning. 2 new fields are added. Display name and email address are now available for auto-provision SAML users, allowing with new SAML server options to map the corresponding attributes. FortiPAM also supports storing a display name for both local and remote users, which appears in the interface next to the user. If the identity provider does not supply this information, administrators can manually edit the field. This enhancement delivers a clearer user identification and a smoother SAML integration in FortiPAM 1.8. Another feature that we have here is the configuration of FQDN for email approval links. And basically, the administrator can now configure a fully qualified domain name or FQDN used in approval links via email. This setting ensures that the email approval links contain the correct domain, improving security and user trust. The FQDN is configured under System Settings, the General, and Email Approval Configuration as noted in the slide deck. By specifying the FQDN, organization ensures approval links direct user accurately to their FortiPAM portal, avoiding confusion or phishing attack doubts. Another set of feature is to automatically disable inactive remote users on the FortiPAM. This disables inactive remote users after a configurable period of inactivity. This helps free up license seats and reduce security risk by ensuring dormant accounts that are promptly deactivated. Administrator can define the inactivity threshold, allowing the FortiPAM to ensure policies without manual intervention. With automatic disabling, FortiPAM improves license efficiency and strengthens privilege access security by limiting unused accounts. This next feature here is based on role-based access control. It enhances security, allowing administrator to restrict portal access based on user roles. This means that you can define which part of the FortiPAM interfaces that are accessible to different roles, limiting exposure to sensitive functions. RBAC helps enforces the principle of at least privilege, ensuring users only see and manage what they're authorized for. With this feature, it provides ground rule control. FortiPAM 1.8 strengthens governance and reduces the risk of unauthorized actions. That's all I have, team. These are all the cool features and important features that we have included in the FortiPAM 1.8. I hope you guys enjoy and see you guys on the next release. Thank you again for watching.